YouTube. You already seen through the title what we got set up for today. Let's get started. Kick. So we got a little short setup right now. So far we got the nice little mini glue gun. We're gonna set that up. Of course, we have the glue sticks and we have the green tape to make sure everything is on point like a decimal. We got some other supplies, as you can see. We got the nice neon green because we felt like this green was a little too dull. We actually got these from Michael's. So we definitely wanted to spice it up a little bit, and that's part of the reason we have the green tape and the glue gun.
So I'm just going ahead and clip the edges off of here so we can get into this glue stick.
So it's showing like it's nice and already plastered on the way they got the film on it.
So this is what the glue stick looks like. You're going to just insert these little things without.
This is a 36-inch by 48-inch box, 91.4 centimeters. You already know.
Excuse me. You're going to go ahead and take these and you're going to put it, I think it go in here. I think it go in here. Go ahead and plug this bad boy up. Bad boy up. You should see that?
Yep.
First, we're going to take both of these cardboard boxes, they're not boxes, and we're going to glue them together. Now, should we glue them side by side, or should we take one and glue it up top?
Oh, what you think?
I think it don't make a difference, because either way we glue it up top, we can still, and it still be side by side.
If you want it,
But we're going to make it to where it's able to stand up on its own.
that is correct.
Side by side. But if we want to stand it straight up, we can stand it. Just put it up against the water and paste it the foundation.
Good idea. I was thinking about it like this. Mo Boss, he thought of a great idea to do it like this. That would make it even longer. Great idea.
If it do this way,
I had to do the old school. It's a small space. It's gonna be the first video. We're thinking about gonna go ahead and do part 2. I'm already thinking about it. Mo might be with it. Let's see. We're gonna get a whole other set so that way we can make it big enough for me and her. We're gonna do this, babe. We're gonna put it at the top, or we're gonna. This looks a little longer. I like that.
like that is wider so it can fit like more of us in it at a time.
But it's not tall enough.
Should we do it right now?
Let's do it the way you said. We're gonna do it the way Mo Bossy like it because it's gonna be more mobile. She like it both ways.
Us can still fit it, we stretch it out wider.
But when it comes to
When
traveling,
it comes to traveling, we still just hold it up the same way. Cause it'll be like that, it'll just fold up so it'll just be long.
right.
Alright, so yeah, let's do that. Go ahead and
Hook this up.
do what it did.
You do what it do. I haven't used one of these since elementary school, of course. And it got little ridges in there, if you can see. That's gonna lock it in. Okay, guys. Yeah, we in there. Wait for this to get a little hot.
So we just gonna go
Turn this up.
Oh, he hit me right in the pool.
Sorry, baby. enough yet.
Whoa, you went somewhere else. No, whoa, you getting too excited on a gun.
Trigger it for the
Triggering
glue.
it for fun. And nigga done. What is going on? Don't tell me, yo.
Oh, this
Yo.
even got its own stand. This make that's hard. Oh,
Uh-oh,
it's coming.
He's making
I'm getting it back right, guys, for y'all. Load the clip. Almost done. That's my wrist up a couple weeks ago, and that was actually some real wrist work to get that done. Here we go. Blow on it.
What's wrong?
She said, what's wrong?
No, it's not much your face.
I heard you talking about the glue gun. Yeah. My thumb is cramping up. My thumb is on fleek with the cramp right there.
Yeah. For y'all that don't know. Alright, I'm back.
All those that don't know, because she knows.
No, don't worry about that. That's gonna be covered.
That's gonna be covered. All that's glue.
As you can see, the back. We ain't gotta worry about that.
Damn, baby, you got some good cutting skills. Can you cut this for me? Have any measuring tape? Just measure it that way. This is going there, on that side, right there, that she's cutting now.
1 hour later.
Okay, UT, so let's go ahead and show you what we got accomplished now. We did end up running out of tape. So this is the finished touching to the board. And this is the pieces that we pretty much cut off to get to what we got. You see. And then we still got some few pieces over here to make our type piece, but again, no more tape.
All right, YouTube, that's it right now. As you can see, we got the green screen going on here. We got it all finished. Stay tuned for part 2 because we got the multi-dimensional green screen transformation coming to you. Also, look at all this. We messed up tape, but it had to do what it had to do. Ran out. That's why there's a part 2 coming to show y'all how we gonna transform this into a multi-dimensional green screen. You see how that's already an attachment? Let's see how many glue sticks we actually use. Supposed to be 18 here, so let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. That means that it took us 5 glue sticks to finish this production. Plus the tape. A whole row.
Mo Bossy has successfully launched her website. Go over and check it out. It's Bossy Moves Boutique. Yes, BossyMovesBoutique.com.
BossyMovesBoutique.com. As you can see, my head ain't got messed up from doing all this. I'm sweating, baby. Yeah, this hair gonna get done too. That's gonna be the next video. If not, it's gonna be the experiments, but look out for the dread video because it is getting retwisted. It's coming to you. The new year, I gotta look good. We all look good anyway, but gotta turn that 10 to a 100. The description, check it out, and we out.